Everything RF. Latest products this week, 28 November to 4 December 2024. 4-way active power splitter from 2.4 to 2.5 GHz for RF energy applications by Mini Circuits. Drop-in 90-degree hybrid coupler from 2.4 to 2.5 GHz by Innovative Power Products. 20-watt 180-degree hybrid coupler from 2.2 to 2.4 GHz by Renaissance Electronics Corporation. 4 to 8 GHz USB-controlled phase shifter by Vonix. Handheld spectrum analyzer from 9 kHz to 40 GHz by Heragic Technologies. Dual-channel 50-watt power amplifier from 1 to 6,000 MHz by Becker Nachricht Technik GmbH. Wi-Fi HA Low 802.11, a module from 902 to 928 MHz by Murata. DEC TNR Plus and cellular IoT system in package with built-in GNSS support by Nordic Semiconductor. 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 Plus Bluetooth 5.4 LEE combo IC for IoT applications by Infineon Technologies. Front-end module for 5G NR LTE and WCDMA applications by Skyworks Solutions. Dual-channel receiver, front-end module, from 1.7 to 2.7 GHz by Qorvo. Base-locked voltage-controlled oscillator from 10 MHz to 25 GHz by Luff Research, an Ironwave Technologies company. 150-watt power film chip termination from DC to 3 GHz by Inmet by Spectrum Control. 35-watt RF termination from DC to 6 GHz by Mecca. SMD phase-locked loop synthesizer from 1815 to 1875 MHz by Dynamic Engineers. Double-ridged ferrite waveguide circulator from 2 to 4 GHz by Scientific Microwave Corporation. 1-watt benchtop power amplifier from 2 to 18 GHz by Amplitech Incorporated. Rugged surface mount broadband conical inductors by Coilcraft. Magnetically shielded cryogenic single/dual junction isolator from 4 to 12 GHz by Diatom Microwave. 2 kW pulsed solid-state power amplifier from 4 to 8 GHz by Exodus Advanced Communications. 50 ohm 102 RF balloon from 10 MHz to 67 GHz, signal integrity applications by Marquee Microwave. Surface mount balloon from 5 to 30 MHz by Hyperlabs. 10 MHz sine wave GPS GNSS disciplined rubidium oscillator by Safran Electronics and Defense. 3D electromagnetic simulation software by Remcom. On wafer probing cable assemblies from DC to 67 GHz by Mori Microwave. Low-loss SMT balance with balanced impedance of 50 to 200 ohms by Worth Electronic. 400-watt compact block-up converter from 790 to 8.4 GHz by Mission Microwave. 160-port fan-out non-blocking switch matrix from 5020 08 5024 50 MHz by Quintec. Cable assemblies with mini FACRA connectors from DC to 9 GHz by Amphenol RF. Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry.